Lovelies, welcome back to this vlog. Okay, so today is Thursday. I'm rushing out. Okay, I'm going for a birthday party, a pink pajamas themed birthday party, and I'm actually running late. It's for 6, and then this is 6:38. I'm even running late. I don't even know the kind of makeup I did. My hair, I did not even coil it very well, but anyways, we are still beautiful, right? We lit. So yeah, I'm going. I have to stop on the way to get her something, maybe a gift or something. I want to get her perfume or something. I don't know yet, but I just don't like going for people's party birthday without getting anything. I don't know if it's just me, but I just feel it's somehow. Okay, so I want to get her something on my way out. Let's go. I'm running late. So yep, I'm back. We bought something. AKA CEO Oma's label, Oma's Loss. People should be console yourself. So over to you, Ebu EP. Tell us what you like about Oma.
IJ is someone, okay, what everybody knows, she's soft-spoken, and then
Is she blushing? Please help me hold her head. Help me and hold her head. Hold her head. Hold IJ's head. Hold it so it won't burst.
Lemon 4.
Lemon 5. Lemon 6.
Lemon 7.
Faith.
Lemon 8.
No. The quality 7.
Lemon 9.
Lemon 10.
Lemon 12.
And lemon 13. Okay. Last but not least.
Lemon 4, lemon 6.
Lemon 6, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 1. Right?
Lemon 1, lemon 2. Lemon 2, lemon 4.
Lemon 4, lemon 7.
No, it's a test. Yes, no, you stammered.
Lemon 5, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 1.
Lemon 1, lemon 2, lemon 2, lemon 7.
Lemon 7, lemon 13.
Lemon 13, lemon 3.
Lemon 3, lemon 5.
Lemon 5, lemon 7.
Lemon 7, lemon 14.
But wait, so what happened to 9? What happened to 8?
Such people give me grace and be very good.
So enter back. Yes.
Thank you. But other people will be higher.
Yes, other people be higher.
Thank you. Cheers. I'm opening it. I did it on purpose.
I'm Mohammed.
Ew. Well, I'm lemon 10.
You are going to take
You are good.
Where's the cup? Sorry.
Press
Hey, this is a concentration.
Yes, this is a concentration game.
I think
You didn't what? You didn't what?
it's too much, right?
No.
Too much.
Don't drink.
Don't come to party if you don't need to drink. Oh,
No,
sorry.
you have to slush at home so that you just.
It's good for your itinerary.
It's better that way.
Whatever that means. Just concentrate.
Sorry, only.
Try not to lose.
Okay,
Lemon,
Yes.
Lemon 5, lemon 7.
Lemon 7, lemon 4.
Lemon 4, lemon 6. Lemon 6, lemon 8. Lemon 8, lemon 2.
Lemon 2, lemon 5.
Lemon 5, lemon 7.
Lemon 7, lemon.
God bless you. I am drink more.
Why are you peeping?
Where is the cup?
Let's go there. No, it's not playing. You are young.
Hey!
Sorry, oh. I know that feeling.
Are we ready to go? Where's our cup? Where's your cup? I did. If you snooze, you lose. Let's use this one. I swear. If you snooze, you lose.
Don't do that.
Jesus. This is
What happened?
your first shot. See body now. Give us the body.
Down straight to the top. 2020 was your
So, can we do A B? B. Can we do an A? A. Can we do another
Don't go
B?
in my shot.
Because why? You give me a G. G. And I. Letter R. And the final L. Happy to you.
Demon and Okay, let's all say Lucky. 1, 2, go. Thank you.
Now we have come to the end. We have successfully arrived to the end of this celebration. Make us.
Thank you so
You're welcome.
You're
welcome. You're a sweet girl.
I really appreciate. Thank you.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to this vlog. How are you guys doing? So today is Friday. Yeah, okay, yeah, today is Friday. It was yesterday, Thursday, that I went for the pink pajamas party. So yeah, I had so much fun, honestly. So yeah, today is Friday. I want to cook, but lazy people kind of cooking. Is it lazy people kind of cooking? I don't know, but I just want to do something. I want to make 2 soups. Like I want to make onugbu and oha soup. Okay, I wanted to make onugbu soup. I was like, why not just make onugbu and oha? So I'll have 2 soups at home. Does that make sense? So you all know that, I don't know, but people that know onugbu soup, which is bitter leaf soup, and oha soup, you know that both of them, like, they have the same process, right? So yeah, what I want to do now is I want to use big pots to cook both of them, the same process. Then at the end, I'll separate them, like I'll bring another pot and divide them into 2, put oha in this one and put bitter leaf in this one, thereby having 2 soups. Does that make sense? Honestly, like, seriously, that's what I want to do this night. Like, I cannot be bothered at all. Like, but it's not bad, right? It's not bad. So yeah, I've already started cooking. I'll be showing you guys now. The meat is on fire now. The I said the ede, which is the cocoyam, is on fire too as well. So I'll just be carrying you guys along this process. I just woke up from sleep and washed my face. See the way my eyes are red. Like, I had a very long sleep this afternoon. And yeah, right now it's currently, I think, 6 to 6 or so. So let's start cooking. So this is our meat. This is the meat I'm using. So I have tester here and then beef here, cow meat here, cow beef here for this, and this is for the 2 soups. Okay, so I'm going to be making everything in this pot. This pot is very big. I don't think video is making justice to it. Both of them in this pot, and I will separate them. I'll carry you guys along as much as I can. Okay, let's let that go. And then this is our cocoyam. This is the cocoyam we're going to be using. So I'm going to let it get soft, peel the back, and then pound it. Okay, so this is everything. This is it now. I've added them, what's it called, water. This is water for the soup, but it's me that this thing is small, so I've added more water. I'm going to add the palm oil now to it, cover it and let it cook. So I'll add palm oil to this now. I've added palm oil to it now, so I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. Yep. So this thing is boiling now. I want to add the stockfish to it now. I'm going to be adding stockfish. This soup is gonna be, I'm going to continue boiling before I add the water. So I'm going to be adding cocoyam. So I usually will put my spoon in here in the oil and then scoop so that it won't go. Just put that. So I've added everything. I'm going to cover it now and bring it to a boil and allow the, what's it called, the thickener to melt inside. I'll show you guys. So this is the soup. So it's still not very thick. I'm still going to cover it and let it boil for some. So I've separated them. This is one, and then this is two. I don't know the one that is which. Anywhere the spirit leads, either of them can go. Either I put the oha here and then bitter leaf here. But I just want it to boil more before I start adding things to it. Yep. So I want to add ogilisi. I don't know, so it's going to overshadow my soup. So this is it. Just little like that. So this one. So yeah, this is it for. This is for the oha. This is for the oha soup. Before adding the oha, I like adding uziza leaf. I'll just sprinkle a little of the uziza to it, and then I'm going to cover it. So this is our oha. This is the oha. How do you like cutting your oha? Do you do it special way? For me, I'll just cut it, use knife, cut it into 2 or 3. I don't specifically do it here. So this is, I'll be adding it now. What are you doing? What she's doing is not working out for her. So yeah, I'm just going to cover things. I don't really allow my oha to stay for so long. I'll just off the gas now. It's okay. The heat is going to cook it. Let's go over to the onubu soup now. So this is for the bitter leaf. I've added seasoning cube, the ogili. That is the local maggi and everything. I've added it. So I want to add the bitter leaf. I'm going to be adding. I'm going to cover it and let it cook. So this is the bitter leaf. You see? Have 2 soups. Does it make sense or it doesn't make sense? My madam wants to test. Oh, dodge party. So yeah, this is our soup. Ready? You see? 2 soups at once. Sense or no sense? It makes sense. We are done. Let the pounder be made. So this is the oha soup. This is the oha soup. We are done with this one. Ready. So we are done. This is our oha soup, and then this is our bitter leaf soup. Can you guys see? 2 pots of soup. Yeah, that is it. So this is it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And this is the second one. Yeah. So catch you guys next time until we see you again. Bye.